Hello, today's topic is data types in R programming. In programming languages, we need to use various variables to store various information. Variables are the reserved memory location to store values. As we create a variable in our program, some space is reserved in the memory. In R programming language, there are several data types such as logical, numeric, integer, complex, character and raw data types. The operating system allocates memory based on the data type of the variable and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory. In our programming, variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. For an example, my variable is equals to 25. Now, my variable is a type of numeric. Next, my variable is equals to ds. Now, my variable is now of type character. Next, R has variety of data values and objects. First one is a numeric. Decimal value is called numeric in R and it is the default computational data type. Integer. Next data type is integer. Integer here L tells the R to store the value of an integer. Next complex. Complex value in R is defined as the pure imaginary value. Means for example z is equals to 1 plus 2i or t is equals to 7 plus 3 e1 or 9 plus 3 1 like that. And next character. Character is nothing but a string. In our programming, character is used to represent string values. We can convert objects into character values with the help of character function. And next one is the logical. It is a special data type for data with only two possible values which can be constructed as true or the false. Next one is the raw data type. Raw data type is used to hold raw bytes. Next, numbers. There are three number types in R programming: numeric, integer, complex. For example, variables of number types are created when you assign a value to them. For example, x is equals to 10.5. It is a numeric data type. If we have L is an integer. If we have I, that is means pure imaginary value, then it is a complex data type. Numeric data type. It is the most common type in R and contains any number with or without a decimal. For example, x is equals to 10.5 and y is equals to 5. If we print this x and y, we get 10.5 and 55. If we print class of x and class of y, we will get the numeric data type. Next, integer. In integer data type, we will mention letter L to determine it is an integer value. In complex data type, number is written with an pure imaginary value I. For example, x is equals to 3 plus 5i or y is equals to 5i. If you print x and y, we get 3 plus 5i and 5i. Class of x and class of y is a complex data type. Next, type conversation. In type conversation, then we use as dot numeric, as dot integer, as dot complex. Here it is an integer value because we have L means integer value. Next to y is equals to 2 means it is a numeric. This we want integer value we want to convert into numeric. So we use has numeric function. So a is equals to has dot numeric of x. It will convert into the numeric function. Next, numeric to integer. So has dot integer function is used to convert to integer. Next, we print x and y. We get the values of x and y. Class means we get numeric and integer. Next, R math. Simple math in R, you can use operators to perform common mathematical operations on numbers. The plus operator is used to add the two numbers and minus operator is used for subtraction. And we have some built-in functions in the R program like min, max, square root, absolute. So we have these built-in functions. R also has many built-in functions that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. For example, min and max function can be used to find the lowest or highest number in a set. For example, max of 5 comma 10 comma 15 and min 5 comma 10 comma 15. As well as we have built-in function square root. It returns the square root of a number. Ceiling and floor function. Ceiling function rounds a number upwards to its nearest number, and the flooring function rounds a number downwards to its nearest integer, and ups function returns the absolute positive value of a number. Now let's see examples for data types and the type conversations and the built-in functions in R programming language. First, new data types. Data types examples. First data type is numeric data type. Example, x is equals to 23.6, print x. And for knowing it is numeric data type or not, we need to check the class. So class of print, class of x. Now for execution, control plus shift plus enter. Say here x value, it prints the x value as 23.6 and its class as numeric. Next class we'll see integer type. Integer, for integer we need to have an let l. So for integer data type, let us take y is equals to 18l and z is equals to, let us take for differentiation just 18. So now first print y, print z, and print class of y, and print class of z. See here, we gave 18l, means it is an integer because it indicates l has an integer. Next class of z is a numeric because we did not declared with the l. Next let us take complex data type. For complex data type, we need to have an pure imaginary part. Let us take pure imaginary part as 2i here. It is pure imaginary part. So c is equals to 2 plus 2i and d is equals to only 2i. Let us take. Now print class of c and print class of d. Now execute it. Complex, we got has a complex. Next data type is a logical data type. Logical data type. For logical data type, we need to have true or false, T or F. Like that. So first bull, let us take boolean true. Next S is equals to F. Print bull and print the class of bull. Next print the class of S. We got has a logical data type. Next data type is character data type. Character data type. Next my char equals to Let us see this class, print class of mycar. Got character data type, has a character data type. Next we'll see raw data type. In raw data type we can convert raw to char or char to raw. So we have two types of raw data type. First raw of char is equals to char to raw. Here let's give welcome and print raw, raw of var. Next class, we need to print the class, which class we have to know. So raw of var. Here we get it will convert character data type to raw data type. Next we can convert to raw data type to character data type. Here we will take char of var is equals to raw to char. Here we'll give raw of char, print char of var. Welcome, we got welcome. Next we'll see type conversion. Type conversion. Here we have three methods. Here we have three methods. We have has.numeric, has.integer, has.complex. Let's see an example. X is equals to 1L and Y is equals to 2. Now let's convert A is equals to has dot numeric. Numeric of will convert X. Then print X. Then B is equals to has dot integer Y. Then print Y. Next C is equals to has dot complex Y. Then print Y. Then we got here has an output. Next we'll see for inbuilt functions. We have inbuilt functions like ceilings, floor, max, min, square root. So built-in built-in functions. First one, let's see min and max. Five comma 10 comma 15. Here we got minimum 5. Next let's see maximum of 5 comma 10 comma 15. Then we get 15 has a maximum. Next built-in function is square root. Then square root of 16 we need to get 4. Let's see it. 4, we got 4.
Next, let's see ceiling and floor. Ceiling and floor function. First, let's see ceiling ceiling of 1.4. It need to be round up to upwards. Ceiling means upwards. Next, floor means it round ups to downwards. Let's see same example, then we can find the difference. So, upwards means 2, 1.4 to 2. Downwards means 1, 1 point. Okay, next to up. Next function is absolute function. Absolute of minus 4.5. Let's see. Absolute minus 4.5 means 5. Next, let's see our math operators like plus and minus. Uh, Plus operator. 10 plus 5, 15. Next, minus operator. 10 minus 5, 5. These are the max operator. Next, let's see a operator for multiplication into 10 into 9. Let's see 90. Next, let's see for division is an operator. 10 divided by 9 will get as 1.11.